In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include a PDF in your Behance project. While Behance doesn't allow direct PDF uploads as visual content, there is a simple workaround that you can use, making your PDFs accessible to your project viewers. By following this guide, you'll be able to attach your PDF as a downloadable source file, allowing easy access for anyone visiting your Behance project. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Behance project that you wish to update. If you're already on your Behance page, navigate to the project in question and click on it to open. Once you've got your project up, you'll find an Edit button. Click on that so you can make the necessary changes to attach your PDF. Now that you're in Edit mode, focus your attention on the right-hand side of your screen. There, you'll find various options that you can adjust to tailor your project to your needs. You're going to want to scroll down until you reach the section labeled Source Files or Attach Files. This is where the magic happens. In this section, you'll find an option to upload files. Happily, Behance supports PDFs up to a hefty 100 MB, so as long as your file is within this size, you should have no issues uploading it. Click on the Upload button and select your PDF file from your computer. Give it a moment to fully upload and prepare to become part of your project. Once your file is uploaded, you have an important decision to make. You need to decide who can download your PDF. Should it be available to everyone or just those subscribing to your content? Behance gives you this choice. If you wish for your PDF to be available to everyone who visits your project, choose the public option. If you'd prefer it to be exclusive to people who subscribe to your work, opt for the subscriber-only setting. Make this decision wisely based on what you want your audience to experience. After you've made your selection regarding the accessibility of your PDF, it's time to save or update your project. This is an essential step because it ensures that all your changes are applied and your PDF is available as intended. Double-check that everything looks good. Your project should reflect these changes once saved. And there you have it. You've successfully attached a PDF to your Behance project without embedding it directly into the visual layout. Viewers can now download and access your PDF, enhancing their experience and providing them with valuable content from your project. Thank you for following along with this guide, and happy creating on Behance.